Hey family, this is Sugar from c.wsugarinspirations&designs. Today, I'm going to be trimming out some lampshades, giving it a little pizzazz. So we're going to see me use this with some beautiful tassel trim that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Before we get started though, I want to just welcome you back to my channel. Those of you who are subscribers, family, thank you so much for tuning back in. Those of you who are new and just like the content, please feel free to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I post every Sunday, so you'll get notified. Also, hit the thumbs up, everybody. All right, so I went to Hobby Lobby and on Saturday and got a beautiful haul of tassel trim. I'm going to show you. So just know that they're cleaning out for spring. They're bringing in, new items for summer. So this would be a great opportunity to just go browse and see what you can find. All right, so I'm gonna start with this beautiful green trim. Oh my, look at that. OMG. Isn't that beautiful? It's got an olivey kind of lime thing happening. Well, I have 10 yards of this and it is typically $8.99 a yard. It would have been $89.90 for 10 yards of this. I paid $24.90 on clearance. And this red, oh my gosh. This is typically, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's typically $8.99 as well, a yard. It's a different pattern. It's got the beading in it. I have 7 yards of this. I paid $17.43 and it would have been $62.92. $62.93. So I got a steal. Now, I'm not gonna do anything with this today because I owe my son and daughter-in-law some embellished bath towels. And I wanted to give them some fresh new ones because my towels are old. He liked it when I did the original one, and I'll post how I did that. But I wanted to give them some fresh towels for their new home. So I've got 7 yards, so we don't know how many towels they're gonna end up with. But I thought that was wonderful. And then I have beige. I'm gonna use this today to embellish my lampshades. This, I have 6 yards at $8.99. It would have been $53.93, $13. Look at all of that tassel trim. Oh, you do so much. I don't know all of them I'm gonna do, but I might make pillows. So you can do a lot of things with it. Put it on your bottoms of your curtains. A lot you can do. Lastly, I came away with 4 yards of this beautiful, it's almost like an eyelash trim. Very fun. I just love it. You can even put this on the bottom of a sweater, however you want to use it. But I got 4 yards at $4.96 for all 4 yards. It's typically $4.99 a yard. I got 4. So this would have been $24. So yeah, I got a really good deal. I didn't add it all up, but now, so for today, I'm going to use a little of this on an old boring lampshade. It's not boring. Uh-oh. I'm going to add it to the bottom and maybe to the top as well. Have you seen those? They're kind of flirty, boudoirish. So I did that before, and like I said, I'm going to hopefully add a couple of pictures of it. It was so long ago that I might not have them in my pictures anymore. And I have this. These are beautiful. Now, I got these from my sister-in-law. G, you know who you are. And oh my gosh, had to be 15 years ago. But I'm going to add this trim to the bottom just to give it a little bit of pizzazz. Now, the good thing about it, so this is what it'll look like. Just to do a little something with it. But I'm going to use glue gun because it's a heavy tassel and I want it to stick. I have some E6000. I don't know if you've all ever used that. This is great, but you know, anything a bond. But I want to be able to, if I get bored, I can take it off and not ruin, you know, the trim that's currently here. But so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Also know that you can do a lot with the trim. You can have it, those who sew, it's good to, you know, if you are a sewer, a seamstress, you got trunks full of stuff. So, but Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's, they all have their clearance season where you can really get a lot of things. So let's take advantage of it. It's spring. So yeah, I'm gonna update these lampshades and see how they turn out. So let's stay tuned. I'll be back. Okay, so family, I was just showing you the original lampshade. Kind of looks like a lady's waistline, and I added the eyelash trim a few years ago, and I thought it turned out really nice. I used the glue gun for that, and those ribbons, the tassel does not move. So I remembered that I used E6000, and that allowed me to remove the trim from some other lampshades after I got bored with it. So, and it didn't ruin anything. So that's why I changed over to E6000. So I also had this really cool lamp that you see looks like a little globe. I thought that turned out really pretty with the two of them. So I'm gonna let you watch as I complete this one. I thought it was really cute. It's gonna go on somebody's desk. Oh my gosh, or right next to a little reading table. I might give this to my daughter because she needs a cute little lamp. Anyway, I thought it was really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you keep looking and see how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.